All right, I'm gonna give you the secrets to making a huge profit off liquidation. So direct liquidation, you can get truckloads from Walmart, Amazon, Costco, Best Buy, and in this example, JCPenney. So it's 4 things that you need to stop doing. Stop buying pallets from the middleman and buy directly from the source. So most companies get their pallets or their truckloads from companies like direct liquidation. So one example, the bin store. 2, if it's too good to be true, then it's probably false. Profit margins that they sell you to buy from them. The third thing is MSRP that they list on these pallets aren't real. So when you go to the middleman and he or she has a pallet that they say, hey, this pallet is $2,500 and you can make $5,000 off of it. That's false, completely false. The last thing is customer returns are not always worth it because they never test them. They don't always test customer returns. So I'm gonna give you an example. I have a truckload, 24 pallets, is 10,549 curtains and window coverings. MSRP is $510K. It is 11 bids, and right now the high bid is $2,500. So this is where you can go to buy directly from the source.